How to get a free domain name for your website. Free domain names come with but they are a variable option when you are on a tight budget. Creating a website takes word and consideration. It is not enough to simply build a website or find a hosting providers to keep it running on the world wide web. You need admin name to attract visitors and customer too. If you think of your website as a brick and mortar shop, the domain name is the business address. Without an address, potential customer would not find your real world store, and the same is true for domain name and website. Purchasing a domain name is it not complicated, and there are several methods for buying one. In fact, we have a step by step domain registration guide that you should check out. For painters, that said, you can pick up a domain name without spending a dime if you are willing to deal with a few. We shall show you how to do that. There are a few things to consider when securing a domain name. Typically, domain names are not yours to keep indefinitely. There are usually free for a year or two, after which the registrar bills you for the renewal. You may lose the domain if you use it for what the provider deems an activity. Spamming, for instance, in additional, nearly all registrars reserve the right to make change to the registration agreement whenever they wish, and without notifying you. Be sure to check any registrar carefully before committing. Domain names really come with privacy protection. This means that your information as the domain owner is publicly available to anyone snooping around the whose database. If you are a brick and mortar business and your info is already publicly available, privacy likely would not be a major. However, if you are a blogger who does want your personal address available for the internet to see, privacy protection is an important security step. Depending on the registrar you use, this can be as low as per year or as high as per year. Now that we have got that out of the way, let's explore the three methods for obtaining a free domain name. .tk and free name or domain registrar that let you obtain a domain for free. They let you search for a domain and choose for one of five non-cost extensions. TK, there are the you are commonly see as you browse the web, so they can make your site, particularly a business focused site, appear or even if you are wiping up a blog or personal site, this may not be a major issue through. Please note that you do not own these domain. They are registered and owned by either .tk or free nom. You are simply given the right to use them, so you cannot sell or transfer the domain names to anyone. Website builders, the service and tools that let you quickly create a website